turn. Who are they gonna pull over? Me or that guy? Yes. God, bro. Yes. I'll pull it up.
Dude, and I just like, what the fuck, man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time.
Yes! Oh, what a great fucking day. What a great fucking day. I'll pull up.
Well, for what I've got, with being able to have 6 passengers in here and be able to put luggage in the back too, I get 21 miles to the gallon. Oh, he's gonna go get him. Yep.
He just went to the turnout lane and just went straight over. My twins gonna get him. See, I told you he was worried about that car in front of him. I know it. He probably didn't even see that.
You know why I got him? Got no lights.
What's the light? The back?
me on the shoulder. What a maniac. Whoa, what an idiot. Boom. Whoa, what an idiot.
Year-round access, no features, probably like a vacant land, no sewer system, no heat play, 5 country roads with amazing views, that has been approved to build on and ready. Sucker. He getting pulled over. Which one? The guy in the Jeep. What'd you do? Bean. Oh, really?
Yeah, you had to take. What was I gonna do? Throw a pot back at her head? I'd be kicked out of the crib. Damn! You sold that? What the? He's getting pulled. He's running from the police, bro. What the?